Oh, hold on.
It's boiling.
It's gonna melt to the bottom.
Okay, ready? That's gonna be a good one. Stand back.
Oh, you're touching the thing. It's not good.
It's bad. What the fuck?
Something ain't right.
Your water ruined it. What about the CD? I love the CD. That was cool. Now they go. That's nice. Oh, good start on camera. Ready?
Yeah. Almost ready. How to destroy a microwave. Fucking weak.
I have a question. I want like a light bulb.
What?
You don't think it's a good idea at all? Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I do it again?
What's burning?
Nothing, because the tinfoil won't burn. It's like electrocutes itself.
Okay.
I really want to go light bulb. If this thing blows up, we're all dead.
Now we're good.
Holy shit.
30 more? Oh, the water's on.
Do we need more anything? Wall hangers, tinfoil. Oh. 30 more?
There ain't much left to burn.
Well, come on, man.